What are logarithms? Well, I'm going to answer that question by asking you a question. What is 3 squared? Just as a review, this number right over here is called our base. And this top number right here is called our exponent. So we are given a base, we are given the exponent, and we are told to find our answer. So now, what is log base 3 of 9? And you might say, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know that. Well, you actually pretty much do. You see, over here we're given our base and we're given our exponent, and we are told to find our answer. Over here we're given our base and our answer and told to find our exponent. So 3 to what power equals 9? 3 to the second power is 9. So logarithms ask you, there's this mathematical function that says, hey, given your base and given our answer, what is our exponent? Over here, we have our base and we have our exponent. We are told to find the answer. But over here, we switch it around. We're given our base, we're given our answer, and we're told to find the exponent. So let's do a few more of these. What is log base 5 of 125? Our base is 5, and our answer is 125. So 5 to what power equals 125? Well, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. And so 5 to the third power is going to be 125. So see how easy this is? This isn't as complicated as we might have thought it was. It's just saying, given your base, given your answer, what is your exponent? Let's do one more example. What is log base 2 of 32? 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. And 2 times 16 equals 32. So this would be 2 to the 5th power. 2 to the 5th power. And just like that, we have solved for our exponent. So remember, logarithms are functions where you're given your base, you are given your answer, and it spits out the exponent, or you solve for that exponent. And essentially, logarithms are exponent solving machines, if you want to put it that way. So thank you for watching, and like always, stay positive.